Hi everybody, so this video is going to be your combination slash flow video, okay? So follow me through. How's it going to work? We're going to build up a little sequence, a short sequence based on the shimmies we've learned so far, which is basically the earthquake shimmy and the floppy loose shimmy. But remember, we've done some more advanced ones as well. So what I'm going to suggest you do is whenever I give you the option to freestyle in between, feel free to pick one of the more complex movements, like either the walking shimmy or the figure of 8, floppy shimmy in between the sequences, whatever you want to do, just to get that practice in. I might not necessarily do it all the time, just because, right? So just know that whenever I say freestyle, if you've got any other shimmies that you've already learned that you know, feel free to put them in there as well, okay? So otherwise, here we go. Here's our flow kind of class revision with a bit of a combination. So let's just go. Let's do it. Make sure you're warm first, please. We're gonna get started. Okay. It's a bit angled just right. All right, let's do our buoyancies. We're gonna start inhale and exhale. Just make sure the music is on. Yes, it is. Okay. We're gonna go rise up. Exhale. Find the softness. And again, inhale, rise. Exhale, sink, find the softness. A little bit of an earthquake shimmy here just to release. When you think you've found the relaxation, we're going to go into our shimmy. Okay. Option 1, stay. Option 2, down and up. Down, rise. Try not to lose the shimmy when you drop, when you dip. Earthquake. Be together. Earthquake. 1. Pick your speed, slow, medium or fast. I'm going for medium. I'm going to go for a bit of a rotation. Okay, we're going to go wide again. Buoyancy, inhale, rise. Exhale, sink. When you find it, find the floppy, find the relaxation in the thighs and the butt cheeks. We're going to go side to side. 1, 2, 1, 2. Up and down and up and down. Remember, you can go slower than me. You just want to make sure everything is loose and fluffy. I'm transferring my weight from one side to the other. Earthquake. 2, 3, 4. Option 1, stay. Option 2, rotate. 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. Again, buoyancy. Inhale, rise. Catch your breath. Exhale, sink. So you want to match your own breath, not my speed, but the speed of your own breath. And remember, you're not placing it, you're being it. Once you've found it and everything's relaxed and fluffy, bum cheeks are relaxed, thighs are relaxed, we go. Side to side. Side to side. We're going to go from here into classical position. 3 and 4. Then go 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6. Buoyancy. Rise. Exhale, sink. Find your relaxation. When you're ready, side to side. Side to side. Get those hips going up and down. We're going to stay. We're going to drag. Give yourself a break from the shimmy for a second. Flamingo. 5, 6, 7, foot. Up. Yep. Keep the knee in. 5, 6, 7. Put it down. And drop down. Drop down. Shimmy. Forwards. Back. Forwards. Back. Up. Earthquake. Little ponytail in your hair. Pick your speed, raise the back. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Freestyle! So pick one of the shimmies we've been doing. Try to keep the shimmy going. Try not to stop. Like me. I'm going to go for the walking one. But you can do any shimmy you want that we've learned so far. Or any shimmy from any other you might have already learned. Get ready, we're gonna go again. 5, 6, buoyancy. Here you go. Inhale, rise. Exhale, sink. Inhale, rise. Exhale, sink. Find the relaxation. I always like to do kind of a sort of earthquake shimmy just to soften everything even more. And then we go. Side to side, side to side. Side to side. Arms of your choice. Glide. Earthquake. Sorry, flamingo. Classical, then into flamingo. Foot behind. Drop it down. Slow it down if you need to. Shift it forwards. Shift it back. Sweep. Earthquake. Let's turn it. As you go. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6. Freestyle. Any shimmy you want. Buoyancy, last time. Breathe. Inhale, rise. Soften, catch your breath. Relax everything. Inside. Go slower if you need to. Remember, it's not about speed. It's about the looseness. You're trying to find zero effort, which you might be like, that's impossible. I'm in classical position. Flamingo. Back. Slow it down if you need to. Forward and back. If you find you start tightening and tensing, you can take the shimmy off for a few seconds to let your hips reset. And then when you feel confident, you can go again. As you get tired, it will probably happen more often. Earthquakes. Go turn. Okay. Pick your speed. 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, get ready to freestyle. Freestyle. Okay, enough. Enough is enough. Are you sweaty and disgusting like me? You should be. Okay, alright, so well done. Thank you so much. Okay, so the next video, a different shimmy. Okay, so go have your rest, sip of water, whatever you need to do, stretch if you've had enough now. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next class. Bye.